Welcome to our tutorial on Java. In this video, we're going to take a look at what Java is, and why it's such a popular programming language. Whether you're new to programming or just looking to learn a new language, Java is a great choice. So, what is Java? Java is a programming language that was first released in 1995. It's an object-oriented language, which means that it's based on the concept of objects, which can have properties and methods. Java is designed to be platform-independent, which means that it can run on any operating system, as long as the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, is installed. Java is widely used in a variety of applications, such as web development, mobile app development, and even gaming. One of the main reasons why Java is so popular is its ability to run on any platform. This means that you can write a Java program on one computer and run it on another, without having to make any changes.